In today's news, there is a debate over whether Jennifer Lawrence should make a cameo in The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Although Jennifer Lawrence is the face of the franchise, it may not be a good idea for her to appear in the new film. The story is set 64 years before The Hunger Games and follows a young Coriolanus Snow, who becomes the tyrannical leader of Panem. Lawrence's character, Katniss, has a long-running battle with Snow, making a connection between them possible. Fans have speculated that Lawrence could appear as Katniss' grandmother, as there are familiar names and a strong link to District 12 in the prequel. However, Lawrence's inclusion could undermine the story, as the focus should be on Snow's origin and his relationship with Lucy Gray. Lucy Gray and Katniss Everdeen are different characters, and Lawrence's presence could detract from Lucy's impact on Snow. While Lawrence's return would generate excitement, it is unlikely that the success of the prequel depends on her involvement. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes has already garnered hype with its trailers and the talented cast. Whether the franchise can work without Katniss will be put to the test if Lawrence doesn't make a cameo in the film.